Welcome back to Chapter 5, Chemical Changes, Section 5.1, the Reactivity series. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to explain how some common metals react with water and with a dilute acid. Let's begin with discussing metals plus dilute acids. We have already seen in previous tutorials how metals react with water and that you can use observations of these reactions to place the metals into an order of reactivity. However, where the reactions are very slow with water, the task of ordering the metals is difficult. With these metals, which are very slow again with water, we can look at the reactions with dilute acids in order to arrive at an order of reactivity. In the following table, we will be ordering and summarizing the reactions of some important metals with water and dilute acids. So, we are going to summarize the reactions with water and according to the order of reactivity. So potassium, according to the following table, is the most reactive metal and gold is the least reactive metal. So potassium, and as we go down below potassium, the reactivity goes down with it. So potassium is the one who is more reactive, then comes sodium, then lithium, then calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, tin, lead, copper, silver, and finally gold. Potassium and all the metals below it till calcium, they give fizzing and they give off hydrogen gas when they react with water, leaving a metal hydroxide. However, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, and iron, when they react with water, they are very slow. And tin and lead, they do a slight reaction with steam. However, copper, silver, and gold, if you place them in water, there is no reaction and even no steam. Now, we have done reactions with dilute acids because there are a huge range of metals that we found they almost had no reaction with water and even very slow one. Again, if we put potassium, sodium, and lithium with an acid and a diluted acid actually, they will explode. Magnesium, aluminum, zinc, and iron and calcium, if you put them with a dilute acid and allow them to react, they will give off hydrogen gas and form a salt. If you put tin and lead, they will almost react slowly with the warm acid. And if you put copper, silver, and gold, there will be no reaction. So, this is the order of reactivity of all of the metals and how they react with water and with dilute acid.